Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to log into Telegram desktop application, the same process for Windows, Linux and Mac devices. So open the application and click on Start Messaging. And now if you have the Telegram application on your smartphone, just open the application and go to three bars menu over here. Now tap on Settings, scroll down to Devices. Tap on Link Desktop Device and just scan this QR code and you're logged in. Another method is login using your phone number. So click on this link, enter your country code and now enter your phone number. And once again, if you have the Telegram application in your smartphone, you will receive the confirmation code to the Telegram application, but if not, you just will receive SMS with the confirmation code. So click on Next. And here is my code in the latest message, 13573. And voila. That's pretty it, guys. Hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and be awesome. Bye guys.